Brooklyn, New York. News helicopters converge above the scene of a shooting. But today's big story isn't on the ground. It's in the air. One of the choppers blows a tail rotor.
Oh, this is bad.
The pilot fights to control the whirling death trap as it plummets toward a row of houses.
This is bad.
But it's no use. The three men inside brace for impact.
Oh, no.
The helicopter slams into a concrete rooftop, crushing the cockpit. The chances of survival look grim. The scene below switches from a crime investigation to a rescue. But then, an unbelievable sight. The pilot steps out of the cockpit, virtually unharmed. He motions for help, then ducks back in to free his passengers. They too come through with no major trauma. The widespread debris is a testament to the raw brutality of the crash. Thankfully, no lives are lost at this terrifying scene of breaking news.